What is happening, Magnusites? Be sure to come out and see me at the 2018 Urban Action Showcase and Expo. Tickets and more information in the description box. And do not forget to use the promo code Magnusite. Yeah, let's get this unboxing on with Magnusites. Let's get it on. Get my box cutter here. So we have SoundPEATS. Okay, SoundPEATS has some Force wireless headphones here, and I'm gonna unbox these. Going to unbox these. Look at that. You can see the camera and everything, lighting, all on the cellophane. And I'm going to give a review of it because I am going to take these to the gym in a few minutes. So, because they're wireless, I know I'm going to have to charge them up. So that should give me enough time. I think I got time. Yeah, I got time. I got time. So, it says here, now without all the, shine all over it, now you can really see it. There we go. Is that, yeah. Unearth the experience. There's the back. And then there's the side here. Okay. Now, let's unbox them. Let's see here. Oh, but it says here, liquid silicone neckband. And on the back here it says long working time, up to 20 hours of working time with double battery design. Liquid silicone neckband provides comfortable and steady wearing. Water resistant. Nano coating protects your earbuds from sweat damage, actually. Woo! And aptX supports smooth transmission and provides better sound audio. So let's take a look at these, shall we? See what we got here. Comes in the box. Okay, so there's a charging case available, a waist bag. I don't wear fanny packs, sorry. And an armband. It looks like these are things that you can get with it. Okay, link will be in the description box. They say hello to us. Look, they're saying hello with a sunny face. They're happy people over at SoundPEATS. Let's see here. We have a quick instructions. Okay, quick start instructions. And it looks like it comes with a case. Cool, nice case. Look at that. Look how it looks there. Ready for display. It looks nice, right? Very, very nice. Okay, cool. Comes with its own carrying case. Very nice. SoundPEATS, very nice. Okay. And here is the... Looks like here are the longer instructions. Okay. Let's see. Is there anything in here? Or is this just... Aha. Okay, so we have all the different size earplugs in there. Okay. Along with, it looks like a clip there to carry it on your hip. Clip to carry it on your hip. That rhyme, don't hate to play, hate the game. Bars! Okay. Different size earphone, snuggies, plushies, fitters, stuff. There's even a clip, another type of clip here. All right. All right. Excuse me. Let's unveil fail these. Okay. So they come all wrapped up here. So let's see if I can cut this without cutting a wire. It's like disarming a bomb. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So here's the charging cable. All right, come on now. Charging cable, there we go. All right. And here are the headphones themselves. All right. Okay. See, there we go. Hate that it does that. Hate that. Oh, that. All right. Still blurry, I know. All right. So here these go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge these up, and I'm going to take them for a spin. And when I come back, I will give the rest a review of these headphones. Be right back. All right, so I was actually going to take them to the gym with me because I thought they were going to take a while to charge. It took less than 5 minutes to charge them. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so I got them on. I'm wearing them. They are very comfortable, very comfortable. And let's see here. Let's listen to some music and let's see how it sounds.
You know I'm with them. How you want it? You can place your order. Everything come back inside the water. You know I'm with them. Crack the wrapper, drop it in the pot. Everything come back to straight drop. You know I'm with them. Dry whipping, I can get them extras. In the hood they call me Mr. Stretcher. You know I'm with them. You remix work, but I can do it better. I know when that shit put back together.
All right, so I like the sound, but I get the feeling I'm gonna have to play with the equalizer on my phone. I know I'm gonna have to, cause it doesn't have enough deep, rich bass right away. So I know I'm gonna have to play with it. Let me see something here. Settings, effects. Let me turn the bass up, see what it sounds like. There we go. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, it works for me. Yeah, I mean, the treble was enough, but I didn't have enough bass. Once I pumped it up on here, I was good. I'm good. So, I mean, hey, just gotta see how long they last. Said they last around 20 hours. Took less than 5 minutes to charge. I mean, that is lovely. Unless they sent them pre-charged. So, so far, my first 10, 15 minutes with them are good. So, the link will be in the description box. Check them out. Get a pair of your own if you like. And if you enjoyed my unboxing, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Boom! 10 million subscribers. Woo!
You may now subscribe.